Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a hard-working farmer named Raghav. He owned a strong and loyal donkey named Bhola. Bhola had been with Raghav for years, helping him carry heavy loads and plow the fields. One summer, after a long day's work, Raghav and Bhola were returning home. As they crossed a dense forest, they heard a cry for help. Raghav followed the sound and found a wounded man lying near a bush. His clothes were torn and he was covered in bruises. "Please help me," the man pleaded weakly. "I was attacked by robbers and they left me here to die." Raghav, being a kind-hearted man, lifted the stranger onto Bhola's back and took him home. He and his wife cared for the man, feeding him and treating his wounds. Within a few days, the stranger recovered and introduced himself as Keshav, a merchant. Keshav thanked Raghav for saving his life and promised a great reward. "Come visit me in the city," he said. "I am a wealthy man and I will repay your kindness." A few months passed and Raghav decided to visit Keshav. He loaded Bhola with fresh fruits from his farm and set off for the city. Upon reaching Keshav's grand house, he was stopped by the guards. "I am here to see Keshav," Raghav explained. When Keshav came out, he looked at Raghav and sneered. "Who are you?" he asked coldly. Raghav was shocked. "I am Raghav, the farmer who saved your life." Keshav laughed cruelly. "I don't remember any farmer saving me." "Guards, send him away." Heartbroken, Raghav turned back. His faith in kindness was shattered. As he walked through the market, an old sage approached him. Seeing Raghav's sadness, the sage asked what had happened. After hearing the story, the sage smiled knowingly. "Karma never forgets," he said. "Just wait and watch." Years passed. Keshav's business flourished, and he became even wealthier. But one day, a royal minister accused him of cheating in trade. The king ordered all his wealth to be confiscated, and Keshav was thrown into prison. Meanwhile, Raghav continued his honest work. His farm prospered, and soon, he became one of the most respected men in the village. One evening, while returning from the fields, Raghav heard a familiar voice. He turned and saw a weak, rugged man begging by the roadside. It was Keshav. "Karma has caught up with me," Keshav wept. "I betrayed you, and now I have nothing." Raghav, remembering the sage's words, sighed. "Karma sees everything," he said. "It may take time, but it always delivers justice." Raghav gave Keshav some food and water but left him with a lesson: what you give to the world gives back to you. Moral of the story: the law of karma is powerful. Our actions, good or bad, always return to us. So, always choose kindness and honesty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video.